This is gonna blow your mind. Are you ready to have your mind blown? I invite you to embark on a journey, not just across space, but across the very fabric of time itself. Imagine soaring through billions of years and trillions of light years in a heartbeat. What if everything you thought you knew about reality was shattered and rebuilt, more dazzling and mysterious than before? We're about to dive into the moments that rewrote the story of existence itself. Get ready to count down the top 10 most jaw-dropping discoveries in the universe. Revelations that have forever changed our cosmic address and our sense of who we are. These aren't just fun facts for trivia night. These are the pillars of modern science. Each one marks a seismic leap in human understanding, proof of our unstoppable curiosity. We'll leap back to the birth of time, stare into the abyss of invisible forces, and question what it truly means to be alive. Isn't it wild to think the universe is stranger and more spectacular than our wildest dreams? So, settle in, let your imagination run free, because what you're about to discover will challenge everything you thought you knew. Can you hear the faint cosmic hum that proved our universe's explosive birth? Or imagine the invisible forces, dark matter and dark energy, lurking just beyond our senses. These are the tales of how we cracked the universe's secrets and realized how much more there is to uncover. Are you ready? Let's launch into the unknown. Our journey begins with a bang, the Big Bang. All matter, energy, and space itself burst forth from a single, hot, dense point. 13.8 billion years ago, the universe began expanding, cooling, and forming the building blocks of everything. As it cooled, particles formed atoms, and light was finally free to travel. The discovery of ancient light proved our universe was born in a cataclysmic instant. The Big Bang is the story of us all. How did we first realize the universe had a beginning? The answer came from Edwin Hubble, who, using the Hooker telescope, discovered that distant galaxies are moving away from us. The farther a galaxy, the faster it recedes, evidence that the universe is expanding. This relationship, called Hubble's law, was the first proof that the universe is not static, but growing. Hubble gave us the expanding universe. The universe began in a hot, dense state and has been expanding and cooling ever since. Physicists predicted a faint afterglow, the cosmic microwave background or CMB, remnant heat from the Big Bang. In 1965, Arno Penzias and Robert Wilson discovered this ancient light by accident. The CMB is the echo of the Big Bang, a snapshot of the infant universe. Mapping it reveals tiny fluctuations, seeds of all cosmic structure. The CMB is not just a relic, it's the blueprint of everything. For millennia, our solar system was all we knew. The idea of planets around other stars was pure speculation. But in 1995, astronomers discovered 51 Pegasi b, the first exoplanet orbiting a sun-like star. They found it by detecting a tiny wobble in its star. Proof that planets exist beyond our solar system. NASA's Kepler Space Telescope later revealed thousands more, showing planets are common. Now, we know there are likely more planets than stars in our galaxy, maybe even billions of Earth-like worlds. In the 1930s, Fritz Zwicky noticed galaxies in the Coma cluster were moving too fast to be held together by visible matter alone. He proposed dark matter, an invisible mass providing extra gravity. Decades later, Vera Rubin found stars and galaxies orbiting too quickly, confirming Zwicky's idea. Dark matter doesn't shine or reflect, but its gravity shapes the universe. It makes up about 27% of everything, yet remains a cosmic mystery. For decades, scientists wondered if the universe would expand forever or collapse in a big crunch. In 1998, two teams used distant supernovae to measure the universe's expansion and found something shocking. The universe isn't slowing down, it's speeding up. A mysterious force, now called dark energy, is driving this acceleration. Dark energy makes up about 68% of the universe, yet we still have no idea what it is. Our greatest discovery revealed just how little we truly know. In 1915, Einstein's general relativity showed gravity as the warping of spacetime. Massive objects, like planets, curve this fabric, and sometimes their motion creates ripples, gravitational waves. These waves travel at light speed, but for a century, they were just theory. Then, in 2015, LIGO detected the first signal, a chirp from two black holes merging. opening a new window to the universe. The idea of a black hole, an object so dense that not even light can escape, has fascinated scientists for centuries. Einstein's theory of general relativity predicted these cosmic phenomena. We call them black holes. Though invisible, their immense gravity warps space and affects nearby stars. At our galaxy's center, Sagittarius A is a supermassive black hole. In 2019, scientists captured the first image of a black hole's shadow, turning theory into reality. For centuries, Mars has captured our imagination as a potential home for life. The key ingredient we've always searched for is liquid water. For a long time, Mars seemed bone dry, but orbiters revealed ancient riverbeds and deltas, hinting at a wetter past. The Phoenix lander uncovered water ice beneath the surface. Today, briny water flows on Mars during warm months. Subsurface ice and lakes could even harbor life, protected from harsh surface radiation. Deep within every cell lies a universal code: DNA. Scientists long wondered how traits were passed on, until the double helix was revealed. Watson, Crick, and Rosalind Franklin's work showed DNA is a twisted ladder. Its rungs are pairs of 4 bases: A, T, G, and C. A always pairs with T, G with C. This is the secret of life. This code builds every living thing, and may guide us to life beyond Earth. And so, our journey through these 10 monumental discoveries comes to a close. From the explosive birth of the cosmos to the intricate code that defines life, each of these revelations has pushed back the darkness of our ignorance, even if only to reveal a deeper, more profound mystery beyond. We've learned that the universe is expanding at an accelerating rate, driven by forces we don't understand, and that it's composed mostly of matter we cannot see. We've found that planets are common and that the building blocks of life might be sprinkled across the stars. The story of science is a story of humility. It's the continuous realization that our perception of reality is incomplete. Each discovery is not an end, but a new beginning, a doorway to 100 new questions. And that, to me, is the most exciting part. The greatest discovery is always the next one, the one waiting just over the horizon of our knowledge, ready to once again reshape our understanding of the universe and our place within it. The quest is endless, and the cosmos is waiting. So now I turn the question to you. Of these 10 cosmic revelations, which one surprised you the most? Was it the runaway expansion of the universe, the shadow of a black hole, or the discovery of water on a neighboring world? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this journey and want to explore more of the frontiers of science, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you for joining me on this voyage through space and time. Keep looking.